Looking for a dependable and cost-effective replacement for your Epson 822XL ink cartridges? This remanufactured combo pack offers exactly that, designed to keep your Workforce Pro printer running smoothly without compromising on print quality. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting sharp text and vibrant colors without the premium price tag. This combo pack includes 5 cartridges, 2 blacks, 1 cyan, 1 magenta, and 1 yellow. Each black cartridge delivers up to 1,100 pages, while the color cartridges yield around 1,110 pages at 5% coverage. That means fewer replacements and more uninterrupted printing, perfect for busy offices or home setups. Compatibility is key, and these cartridges work seamlessly with Epson Workforce Pro models WF3820, WF4820, WF4830, WF4833, and WF4834. Whether you're printing reports, presentations, or colorful graphics, these cartridges fit right in and perform consistently. Equipped with the latest upgraded chips, these remanufactured cartridges ensure smooth communication with your printer. That translates into hassle-free installation and reliable printing every time. Plus, the quick-drying ink technology means your documents come out crisp and smudge-free, speeding up your workflow without sacrificing quality. What changes when you switch to this remanufactured pack? You get a high page yield, sharp text, and brilliant colors that rival OEM cartridges. All while reducing waste and saving money. It's an eco-friendly option that doesn't cut corners on performance. If you're tired of expensive original cartridges but don't want to risk print quality, this Epson 822XL replacement combo pack is worth a look. It balances affordability with dependable output, making it a practical choice for everyday printing needs. Ready to upgrade your ink supply without breaking the bank? Try this remanufactured Epson 822XL combo pack when you're ready. It's designed to keep your Workforce Pro printer running efficiently, delivering consistent results page after page. Choose smart, save more, and print confidently with these remanufactured Epson 822XL ink cartridges. Your printer and your budget will thank you.